In response to the tragic rape and murder at R.G. Kar Medical College in Kolkata, hundreds of people gathered for a solidarity march at the Mirchi Mughal Market Complex in Edison, New Jersey. The event was organized by Krishna Foundation, Medha Kalol, Maitri, New Jersey, ICC, Garden State, and other community organizations to raise awareness and demand action against rape culture. Participants from diverse backgrounds, including members of the Bengali community, walked together, chanting slogans and singing Bengali songs, expressing their collective outrage and calling for justice. Speakers at the event, including Arundhati Sanyal from Women's Forum, Maitri Association of America, and Sharmila Sen from Krishna Foundation, emphasized the need for better protection for women, stronger ethical standards, and accountability from the government, law enforcement, and hospital administrations. The organizers also announced plans to send an open letter to the Chief Minister, Home Minister, and Health Minister of West Bengal, urging them to take decisive action. The march served as a powerful reminder of the need to stand united against gender-based violence and to demand systemic change. Take a look.
এর জন্য আমরা সবাই দোষী আমরা এইটা সামাজিক ব্যাধি আমরা বাড়িতে আমাদের কন্যা সন্তানকে আমাদের মাকে আমাদের বৌদিকে আমাদের দিদিকে যে সম্মান জানাচ্ছি একই কেন কিসের প্রয়োজন আছে এবং তারপরেও হ্যাঁ আমাকে দেখতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না আমি এদিকে তাকিয়ে বলছি আপনাদের সাথে তবে এটা ঠিক হবে আমি আজকে নোটিশ করে জিজ্ঞেস করলে তোমাকে আমি কি পরিচয় দেবো আমি বললাম আমি সাধারণ নাগরিক আমি অত্যন্ত সাধারণ একজন আমি এসেছি আমার মনের কথা বলতে আপনাদের আমি কোনো কটু কথা বলতে চাই না কিন্তু এগুলো বন্ধ করতে হবে পুরুষদের কাছে অনুরোধ গত 14 তারিখ গত 9 তারিখ 14 তারিখ থেকে আজ অব্দি আরো 20-25টা কেস হয়ে গিয়েছে আরো বেশি হয়তো হয়ে গিয়েছে যদি আপনি দেখেন কোন পুরুষ কোন নারীর প্রতি কোন অসুবিধা করছে ফাটিয়ে চোর মারুন থামবেন না সেখানে আমি আপনাদের একটা কথা বলি এটা সাব জুডিসি আছে এভাবে জাস্টিস চাওয়া যায় না 25 ফিট একজন লিগ্যাল অ্যাডভাইজার আমি কি সংগঠনের সাথে আছি সেতু
So the next speaker that we would like to invite is Ms.
We want justice. We want
To really think about that, focus on that. Protest has had a significance in history, but protest cannot die because we need to translate it into action. Thank you. আচ্ছা আমি হ্যালো আমি একটু সবাইকে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি, আমি জানি রোদ্দুর উঠে গেছে, কিন্তু একটু যদি সার্কেলটা বড় করেন তাহলে আর পাশের মানুষকে একটু দিন ওটা। আচ্ছা না ওরছি আচ্ছা the next person we would like to hear from is
Okay, I am Partho Haldar and I'm from New Jersey. We represent, all of us, we represent Srishti of NJ. So this protest is against what's going on in RG Kar. Regarding that, the protest is over here, you can see. Personally, my views, I'm taken back, I'm very upset, and right now it's time for action. All this protest march is not going to work. What I can see, the Justice Department of India has broken badly. The West Bengal government, the Indian government, central government, they are not doing anything. And I can foresee this is the same outcome we are going to get after a long drag, like justice won't be served, and it's kind of a eyewash. It's similar to whatever the justice has been provided for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Hello, I'm Kumkum Sen. As you can see today, we are having a huge gathering here to protest the rape and murder at the RG Kar Hospital, Kolkata. The rape is like, you know, we cannot fathom still what is happening, what has happened to her. Anyway, today is a great day. I'm very happy that so many people have joined us and they're protesting. We are singing songs, we are talking about it, and I think it's a very successful gathering today. Thank you.
I just want to emphasize that we are we are requesting all parties concerned to take this up with urgency and to give justice to the awful death and assault on this junior doctor. As you can see, emotions are high. We are united in seeking justice from our beloved nation. We are asking all of the Supreme Court, the President's office, the Governor's office, the Chief Minister's office to do something and take immediate action and not to delay any longer the justice that this woman has so far been denied.
We are representing Agrani. We are the women who fight. We do the event and we support the women who are suffering from domestic violence. This is extremely shameful act, whatever has happened in Bengal, and Agrani women are here to support, to get justice for all. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.
Hello, my name is Shreya Mukherjee. I'm a founder of Dance for Life USA. We are an organization that have organized shows to raise awareness for different types of pediatric cancers. Today we are here to raise awareness for the crimes that have been committed at RG Kar. It is a grand shame that in 4 weeks from now we will be celebrating Durga Puja, and there's men all around the world who pray to a goddess, and something like this can happen and no justice has yet to be served. Unfortunately, people that are protesting in Kolkata have been arrested, but the people who have committed the true crime have yet to face justice. And today I'm ashamed, but hopefully soon with the protests we can make a difference. Thank you.